Hello, what's up, my gamers? Welcome back to my channel, and this is my first time playing Watch Dogs 2 on my video, and it's a cool game because it kind of looks like Grand Theft Auto 5 because you can do missions around there, also free roam, and you can do other jobs as well in this game. Now let's try to play this game. Let's go, guys. Alright, so I'm here in the beach here around San Francisco, and there's the golden called bridge, there, the red one. I use it to the screen and just try. Okay, let's try to get back to him.
You get out! Get out of the line of fire!
911, please state the nature of your emergency. Can you hear it? Someone's firing a gun!
They're hurt. Somebody dial 911.
911, what's your emergency?
Alright.
Christ, they're shooting up the place! CTOS has verified your location. Police are on their way.
We've got a patrol car in pursuit of suspect.
Watch it. Gun!
Jesus Christ! Officer down!
Oh man. I died.
Squad, cancel the ambulance. We need
That is,
inform next to kin.
that is not good. Alright, I'm back. Let's try to steal a car. Let's steal this car.
Hey, get
This
out!
is Centuries, KCE Bethany.
One more. Go do this guy. Jesus, I died. I killed myself. Let's try it one more time. Let's try to steal another car for the second time. Wow, I'm at the cemetery. Which car should I get?
Oh!
Not that one. Oh, wait, again. Let's steal this another one. Let's steal another car.
Ow! Whoa!
Be advised, we have reports of a violent criminal near your location. Over.
Crap, I need help.
Male suspect with a gun. Repeat, suspect with a gun. Shots fired. We're in motion.
I'm in San Francisco.
Suspect couldn't have gotten far. Let's flush him out.
Squad, we're on location and searching for the suspect now.
Here they come.
Back in
Go.
pursuit.
There you go.
Squad, this is BH2. We're on the scene. We spotted the suspect.
Where's the chopper?
Squad, we're back on the suspect.
It looks like to me just like...
Line of sight obstructed. Repositioning.
Kind of different.
Squad, we've lost track of the suspect. We'll keep looking. We're going to head him off.
A patrol car has been dispatched.
We're back on the suspect.
Suspect has left the vehicle. We're pursuing.
Drop the weapon and get on the ground.
Officer needs help. EMS, ASAP.
Drop your weapon.
Fire.
Get on the ground. Yeah, Squad, stand by. We're swinging back around.
Fine, getting down.
Light him up. Drop the weapon and get on the ground.
Fall back. Lay down your weapon. One, we're in pursuit. Any units grab a visual. He's ducked out of sight.
Suspect back in view. We're on him.
He's got a visual. Doing another sweep. Over. I'm going to knock this guy down.
Don't have a clear shot. Repositioning.
Squad, do any other units still have a visual?
Squad, we're gonna circle back and see if we can pick him up.
We've got a patrol SUV in pursuit of suspect.
And I died again. Not good. I got shot. Alright, my gamers. Ready to watch? You can press like first person. Spotted. But in Grand Theft Auto, you press the B button. On in Watch Dogs game, press the Oh. Off target. And the city has to report. I'll try to go on my map. Where am I going? Here. I'll see you later when I get to the wooden bridge, guys. Alright, my gamers, so I made it to the bridge. As you can see. Oh, bridge. Time to use the word powerful. Try to use it out. That was close. So here, let's try to jump. Try to jump here. Works. And I died. That's the end of the video, my gamers, so thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on to the next video. Bye everybody.